Welcome to the introduction video for the chapter Room Service. Room service is a type of in situ service. The word in situ means being in the original place. Thus, in situ refers to the service at the place where the guest is. The other type of in situ services that are provided by hotels are lounge service, hospital tray service, home delivery, airline tray service, rail tray service, as well as off-premises catering or ODC. Yet another name of room service is floor service. Within the purview of room service, there are different varieties. The service may include basic tea or coffee, the minibar which is available in the room, as well as the service of meal. Now looking at the extent of service, in case of a 5-star hotel, the room service might be 24 hours, and in smaller hotels, it may include only tea or coffee service or continental breakfast, and it may be available only for a specific meal time. Now, let us look at the service operation in case of room service. The room service will have a floor pantry. There may be a floor pantry for each floor, or the pantry can serve for 2 to 3 floors. Another possibility is to have a centralized kitchen, and the food might be transported quickly with the aid of a service lift. The ordering is done via telephone. The telephone may be available at the respective floor pantry, or it may be available at the reception in case of small hotels. The order delivery is done through experienced staff, and once the guest receives the service, they sign on the bill, and the bill is sent to the reception so that it can be charged to the guest account. What are the equipments required for room service? Most of the common equipments used for service are required. Apart from that, there are certain special equipments that will be used in the pantry. Now, let us have a look at those. One of the interesting equipment which aids efficient room service is a type of service lift, which is specifically meant for carrying the food from the centralized kitchen to various floors. And this lift is called as a dumb waiter. This saves the time. Rather than the service personnel have to carry the food from the centralized kitchen, this can quickly transport it to different floors, and from each floor the service personnel can pick up the food and serve it quickly and warm to the guest. One of the common equipment which is used in room service is the room service tray. The tray comes in different sizes, ranging from small, medium and large. Depending upon the size of the meal, the appropriate tray might be used. In case of more than 2 customers choosing to have meal, the room service trolley is a better option. Another interesting special equipment which is used in room service is the service trolley and the Gueridon trolley. The difference between these two trolleys is that the Gueridon trolley has the option to cook food. Here the gas canister can be kept, and then there is a working stove in which the food can be prepared. Whereas in case of a service trolley, it has a hot cabinet where the food can be kept hot. And the trolley can fold so that it is easy to transport, and once at the room, this can be opened to give maximum surface area for the customer to have the food.